Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norazila Natasha Betino Azizi. Today, I would like to present my business plan. My product was named Autonomous Waste Collection Boat. Okay, the first slide will talk about the chapter 1, which is Industry, Customer, and Competitors Analysis. This chapter will talk about the main purpose of my business. So the main purpose of my business, which is autonomous waste collection boat, is to reduce the use of the human labor in collection rubbish in the water. Furthermore, reduce the use of trash on the sea or the river. Then these autonomous waste collection boats will run and operate daily with the given control. And then this autonomous waste collection boat also will bring the positive effects not just for the environmental but also for the humans. This autonomous boat waste collection boats also will follow the trends and the types of the boat is also upgrades of the entire function of this boat. These autonomous waste collection boats also can afford in any kinds of types and also the loads of the garbage that are collected. The second slide is a chapter 2. So the chapter 2 will talk about the company descriptions, which is we talk about my company. So company description for my company, firstly we'll talk about my company name. So my company name is AA Safewell Enterprise. It was located at the Port Klang and the types of my business is a sole proprietorship. I don't have a business partner. Then it was established on 14 January 2017. My core business are commercial vehicles and boats. And then we also offer creates and rebuilds boats and also repairs any kinds of boats. And then at this chapter also we'll talk about my missions and vision for my companies. It is important for my company to that will as the strategies and specific goals that my company should achieve it. And then we'll talk about the chapter 4. In the chapter 4 is a technology and concept. At this chapter, I have stated the technologies and design for my product. There are lists of technology that I use on my boat, such as GPS mapping, guided microcontroller, DC motor, Arduino Wi-Fi, GPS module, motor controller, propellers, and lastly is a sensors. This is the kinds of technology that makes my boats unique and different from the other boat or the existed boats. And then this is chapter 5. Chapter 5 which is operation plans. There is the design process diagram for creating autonomous waste collection boats. There is also my factory and company layout. And then the last part for my business plan is chapter 6, which is the financial plans. This part is have the financial plan that need for every kinds of the business. This part I have stated the things that my company should have. As we know, financial plan has known as the comprehensive evaluations of an individual current, past, and future financial states by using current known variables to predict the future incomes, assets values, and withdrawal plans. This often includes a budget which organization individual finance and sometimes includes some of the steps or specific goals for spending and saving in the future. Lastly, this plan also important. It is because to allocate the future income to various types of expenses such as rents or utilities, and also reserve some money from the start from some income for the short term and long term saving. So that's all for my business plans, and thank you for listening, and thank you.